Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this app to check if the app is worth downloading. So let's quickly dive into it. The Point Guy app helps you track and manage travel reward, point and miles across multiple credit card and loyalty program. You can monitor balance, get alert on expiring point, compare redemption options and access travel deals and tips. Many users also report synchronized issues with account and occasional bug, and its content is mostly focused on United States. So if you travel often and you want to maximize reward, the app is worth downloading for that. And the casual travelers, for those outside the United States, may find the app a little bit useless or less useless. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.